This video shows how to verify that IBM Maximo Asset Management version 7.6 is operational and that the required components for IBM Maximo Anywhere are installed on the admin workstation. Log into Maximo Asset Management. Click on the Help icon and select System Information. If the required components are installed, TPAE OSLC Object Structure 763 and IBM Maximo Anywhere 763 is displayed in the System Information dialog box. To verify that the Open Services for Lifecycle Collaboration, which is also known as OSLC Object Structures, exist in the database, in the Go to Applications menu, select Integration, Object Structures. In the Consumed By field, enter OSLC. A list of OSLC object structures appear if the object structures exist in the database.